Today, we're going to be building a computer with Francis. You like that keyboard? I like that keyboard.
Launch.
Hey. This is Francis.
Hi.
Francis is going to build a computer.
Yes.
Do you know how to build a computer?
No.
Well, good luck with that. These are the boxes.
Okay, well, step one, open the boxes.
Yeah, that's step one.
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
I knew you were gonna say that. This is hard drive.
No.
This
That is the RAM.
is the RAM.
Yes.
Vengeance.
Vengeance RAM, yeah.
Vengeance RAM.
So let's take that RAM out of the box.
Alright. Alright, here we go. 16 gigabyte RAM.
Yes.
And solid state drive.
Solid state drive, yeah.
Check.
So what's that last box?
Motherboard. Oh, it's really fancy and probably really breakable.
Yes.
So we'll put it down here nice and gentle like. If we break it, do we have to drive it back to Microcenter?
Okay. Do you like the motherboard?
Yeah, very breakable. Okay.
There's that.
Yes.
Do you know what's in this box?
The processor.
Yeah. Okay, so we got that. That's the CPU.
Oh, of course, the CPU.
Yeah.
This is the fan.
Yeah.
Here's your fan.
Yeah.
It's your number one fan?
Yeah.
Nope.
You just have to put it in harder.
Nope. No idea. Hold on. Okay. Well, let's see what it looks like. That's what I figured. There's no other way. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, I don't got it. Okay, I'll help you. Push.
I see he pushed really hard.
Well, it slides in and then you push.
Yeah. So I slid it in to work.
Okay.
Alright. Next one. Right behind it?
Yeah. Well, not right behind it actually. No, that would be wrong. It wouldn't boot.
On the other side?
No.
Oh, the other one.
Yeah,
Gray one?
the gray ones. Yeah, they were those good.
Because they're together. I'm gonna break it.
No, you got it. You got it. So now there's the processor.
The processor?
Yeah, you know how the processor goes.
Somewhere in here. Okay, let's open this.
What?
It's hot in here. Okay.
You just gotta put it in.
Like this?
You sure you did it right?
No. Should I put it in right?
Yeah, you actually did. Supposed to do that first, correct? And then it sits in.
And then you close it?
Yeah.
Alright, it's in.
What's the next thing?
SSD?
Not quite. You still have to put on.
Forgot, what are my options?
Put on
The fan?
Okay, so.
Theoretically, it'd be over there, right? Right here?
Well, don't worry about plugging it in. First, you gotta figure out how to.
Okay. Sticky.
Yeah, you don't, the sticky stuff goes on the CPU.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now we're gonna throw the cooler on. Then we got our case. And our Samsung NVMe SSD.
Starting to look like a computer.
Yeah. There's a snack.
Snacks. Yeah.
So now we've completed the build. It's ready to run Crisis. It's the snack.
This is how you build a computer if you're Greek.
Yeah, it goes. Yeah, you got it.
Are you sure? Alright. To be honest with you,
What?
no idea how to which
try,
way it goes or.
try putting it in.
Alright.
Make sure you screw it correctly.
Maybe this way?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's tight.
Yeah, it's tight.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, that's good enough. Now, there it is. So you like slide, you know what this like? I put it this way.
No.
Careful. Now we gotta put in our I/O shield.
Wait, but this is to go through it first, doesn't it?
No, it does not. That fan actually goes inside the case. No, we gotta put in the I/O shield from the other side.
Okay, you handed it to me this way?
Yes.
So, set me up for failure?
Actually, that's still backwards.
It's upside down. No. No. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Have you done this before?
Yeah.
I'm joking. Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, it goes in the other way. Yeah, you gotta make sure it aligns with the edges. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to align with that. You didn't cut yourself, did you? Okay.
Alright, so it goes in those holes.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not doing anything.
Oh, that might not be the right hole.
Aha! Yeah, I'm stuck. I want to try it one more time now. Did you screw it?
Yeah.
Huh.
There's some on the top. Now we gotta plug in our front I/O panel. And then lastly, we gotta put in the power supply, hard drive, and everything else. And here's our nice thick AMD card. Looks like someone likes it. And just put it in like that. It looks fine to me. This Logitech wireless keyboard is like the best one. Like the reception is pretty good. No hanging key strokes. Now you can enjoy the RGB sunset in your living room. reclined as the aesthetic seeps into your pores. Watch as Windows 10 installs on the glowing box of glory. Join the PC Master Race. Buy Giraffe Squad shirts to match your aesthetic. Fully customizable on my Spreadshirt store.